Hello everyone. Here in this video we will do the rest of the questions which are left for exercise 6.3. So question number 10. Question number 10 says CD and GH respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and FGE. EGF or FGE, whatever, such that D and H lie on the side AB and FE. D and H lie on the side this AB and FE of triangle ABC and GFE. So show that CD upon GH is equals to AC upon FG and triangle DCB is similar to HGE. HGE or DCB. So this is smaller triangle, we have to show that they are similar. So how to show? Let us start. So we have first this, it is given the triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. These two triangles are similar. So if the triangles are similar, then all the three angles, the triangles will be equiangular also. Equiangular means what? All the three angles will be equal plus all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio if the triangles are similar. Yes. So this angle A is equals to angle F. Angle A, this equal to angle F here, and angle C is equals to angle G. This angle C is equals to angle G. So if C and G are equal, so if we do the half of it, half of angle C and half of angle G, then we will have that also. Then angle 1 will be equal to angle 3 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. If whole is equal, then halves will be also equal to each other. So each half will be equal, that is 1 will be equal to 3, these half, and 2 and 4 is that half, they are equal. Now in DCA and HGF, we have angle A and angle F equal and angle 2 and angle 4 equal. So we can say by angle similarity criteria, DCA becomes similar to HGF. But this is our third part which we need to show. So we have shown in the first, doesn't matter. So we have to show it. So either to show in the last or in the first one, we have to show it first. Okay. So this triangle becomes similar to this triangle. Since the triangles become similar, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So here AC upon FG, AC upon FG, and CD upon GH. CD upon GH, which is the bisectors. Now CD upon GH, if we write in the left hand side and right hand side AC upon FG, so this is our first result we will get. We get our first result which we need to have in the question. Now the last one, in triangle DCB and HGE, we have angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 1 is equals to angle 3, that we have taken from here, and angle B is equals to angle E. Angle B equals to angle E. How? Since this triangles were similar initially, so all the three angles were equal. So angle B is equals to angle E. So again by angle similarity, angle DCB becomes similar to angle GHE. Okay, HGE. So this is our second result. Here you can write reason also, angle similarity criteria we will apply to have our result. So I hope you have understood. Easy now? Okay, so let us move on to the next question. Next question, here ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let us see. Question number 11. In figure, E is the point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB and AC equal. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that ABD is similar to ECF. ABD is similar to ECF. Since initially ABC is an isosceles triangle, so students, what is the thing which is common and we use everywhere for an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Here with AB and AC, they are equal. If the sides are equal, then the angle opposite to it will also be equal. This thing we are studying from class 9th itself. Okay. So angle B becomes equal to angle C. Now we have in triangle ABD, this is smaller triangle, and ECF, this is smaller triangle. Okay. So ABD, this angle of this triangle, and ECF, this is angle of this triangle ECF, okay. And now ADB, this triangle is also 90 degree because it is the perpendicular to BC, plus EFC, which is the angle of EFC. So both are of 90 degree. So the triangle becomes similar with angle similarity criteria. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. 12th question we will do in the next video. Let us see the 13 number question here. Okay. So question number 13 says D is the point on the side BC. D is the point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that ADC is equals to BAC. ADC means this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Show that CA square is equals to CB into CD. Okay. So first of all, the triangles, the angles which are given, that ADC and BAC, from there we can take the triangles which we need to show that they are similar. Okay. So here ADC and BAC. So we have got the two triangles which are given, the angles equal. So in triangle ABC and DAC. Okay. So ADC was equal to BAC, it was given, and ADC, this angle is common for this ABC also and ADC also. In both the triangles, that angle C is there. So angle C is common. So we can say that the triangles are ABC is similar to triangle DAC by simply angle criteria. Now here, if the triangles are equal, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB upon DA, BC upon AC, BC upon AC, and AC upon DC. This AC upon DC. AC is the side which is common between both the triangles. So if we take this one here, this BC or CB, we can write AC or CA, AC or CA, DC or CD. Okay, because we need these references. Here. Now if we do the cross multiplication, we will get CA into CA, CA square, and CB into CD, which is our required result. Okay. So we will do the other questions in the next video. Thank you.